TradingView Portfolios are designed to bring portfolio tracking, performance review, and analysis into one structured workspace. Instead of relying only on separate spreadsheets or scattered trade notes, portfolios make it easier to see what you hold, how those assets are performing, and where results are coming from. The overview acts as the main dashboard. It shows key figures such as portfolio value, unrealized gain, total gain, annualized yield, and the number of holdings in the portfolio. This gives a quick view of both current exposure and overall performance. The portfolio change section also helps show how value and returns have developed over time, with the option to compare performance against a selected benchmark. The holdings area gives more detail on the assets inside the portfolio. Positions can be reviewed by symbol, asset type, sector, currency, or exchange, depending on how the portfolio is organized. This helps show where capital is concentrated and which areas are contributing most to performance. For stock holdings, related earnings, dividends, and news can also add useful context around potential market-moving events. The transactions section records the activity behind the portfolio. This includes purchases, sales, commissions, deposits, and withdrawals. That detail matters because performance is only useful when it is tied to the actual history of the account. A clear transaction record makes it easier to review past decisions and understand how cash flows have affected the portfolio over time. For deeper analysis, the analysis section focuses on performance and risk. Metrics such as beta, Sharpe ratio, and Sortino ratio help move the review beyond simple profit and loss. They give more context around how returns were achieved, how much volatility was involved, and how the portfolio compares with a benchmark. Portfolios can also be created in different ways. A user can add symbols manually, import transactions from a CSV or XLSX file, or build a portfolio from an existing watch list. This makes the feature useful whether the goal is to track a long-term investment account, review a group of selected assets, or organize trades in a cleaner format. Essentially, TradingView portfolios help turn portfolio activity into structured insight. They bring holdings, transactions, performance, benchmarks, and risk metrics into one view. What this means is they can help evaluate results, identify strengths and weaknesses, and manage portfolio decisions with greater accountability.